Hey, what's up everybody? So here's my little piece of retro tech for today. I found these two vintage, realistic, plug-and-play intercoms. And they are definitely old. And I believe all you need to do is hit call, and it'll make noise on this one. Maybe this one don't work so good. There we go. These are a bit rusty. They are definitely... They look like they're brand new, though. I mean, they really look brand new. They're fantastic condition, but maybe we've got some corrosion going on inside. Hello? Hello? Wow, that's annoying. What are you doing? You don't use intercoms. You don't use intercoms. Has anyone ever used one of these? It's fascinating to me that this would be a office product that you would have on your desk, and then maybe like your secretary's desk or something, or I don't know, maybe even throughout the house. I don't know. Maybe that's a thing. Anyway, leave a comment. Have you ever used intercoms like this? These are FM broadcast intercoms. I don't know how old they are, but you know. Let's see, manufacturing Korea for Radio Shack, Tandy. They're pretty heavy. They've got some good heft to them, all things considered. I don't see a year on them, but I'm guessing these are early 70s, maybe? Let's crank them up. Yeah, they're definitely not working at their optimum here, but anyway, thought it was an interesting buy. Got them super cheap. Yeah, please leave a comment. Have you used these in an office setting? I would love to know. And what year was that in? Thanks a lot.